Hi, everybody. This is Jackie Blaine. I'm your instructor for English 1121, first term, summer session, year 2020. That's a mouthful. I know it's been a really weird few months. Nobody wanted to get online. Teachers, faculty, everybody was really thrown for a loop. Even people like me who've been teaching online off and on for quite a while. Um, it was just very hard. But now that I've had a little time to prepare, I'm hoping I can walk you through this class with a little bit more smoothly with a little bit less trauma. Not going to guarantee anything, but I'm going to give it a try. But before I turn you loose on the start here thing, there's a couple of things I wanted you to know before we go on this journey, and one thing I want you to do. So the first thing you need to know is this is not a literature class. Okay, we're not going to be reading Shakespeare. We're not going to be talking about the metaphors in Charlotte Perkins Gilman's The Yellow Wallpaper. Thank heavens. This is a writing class. It says composition in the title, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be talking about writing, but not just academic writing either, but writing that we do every day, whether it's personal, whether it's for community groups, whether it's for our religious organizations, whether it's on the job. Writing is just what we do. And so we're going to talk about how to analyze a situation, figure out what to write, what the best way to write, why, and how to put that message together. So that's one thing we're going to do. And one of the things that we all do is text. So I've actually set us up a Slack channel for us to text each other. Those of you who are gamers probably know Discord. It's the same thing. It's a texting service. You don't have to give up any email information or phone number. It's just a texting service for us. Now I'm using it because Blackboard has a habit of going down at odd times. Email can get weird and sometimes lost. So if you need to get in touch with me or with each other, you'll be able to do it through this Slack channel. So what you need to do once I'm done is to email me, and my email address is on this announcements page. It's dblaine@citytech.cuny.edu. Email me whatever email address you want me to send you the invitation to the Slack channel is. Doesn't have to be a City Tech address, and nobody's going to see it but me, and it will disappear after I send the invitation. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're going to start with. And so as soon as you do this, and as soon as you do that, go on over to the Start Here Day 1 stuff, and I will walk you through the Blackboard site, the syllabus, the schedule, and the other things that you need to know. So hang on, it's summer and it is fast, and I hope you enjoy yourselves, and I will see you online. Bye.